Hey everybody, Professor Benelou here with a motivational video to get you psyched about Unit 2. Got a lot going on this week in Unit 2. Firstly, the office hour and chat schedule is a little different. I had scheduling conflict for Tuesday, so my office hours will be held tomorrow, which will be Sunday, January 12th. And chat number 2 is going to be held on Monday instead of Tuesday at our regularly scheduled time. Check things out in our classroom. And this week is going to be really interesting. We have, the major events of the 1960s, which is incredible. We got the Civil Rights Movement to discuss, the Vietnam War. Just amazing things to discuss. And also, I will be covering your Unit 2 discussion board. I will be going over those again. On Thursday, I posted 3 short videos discussing the Unit 2 discussion board assignment. The first went over the assignment in general, and then the second and third goes over the topics that you may choose. There are 6 topics to choose from. The second video goes over the first 3 topics, and the third video and final video goes over the last 3 topics that you can choose from. So please, you need to be diligently working on this. Dive in and get that assignment in, and feel free to ask me any questions that you may have. Remember, the only silly question is the one you do not ask. Okay, so with that said, Unit 2 due dates coming up. Or actually, let me backtrack, and Unit 1 due date that you need to be concerned about is Tuesday. You need to be concerned about Unit 1 and telepath being due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. That will be the 14th. That will be due. January 14th, Unit 1 and telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Okay, the next thing that you need to be concerned about is Unit 2 due dates. Busy week, very important due dates coming up, everybody. I'm not going to lie to you. Unit 2 discussion board original post is going to be due Friday, January 17th. Also due Friday, January 17th. January 17th, busy day, 2 things due. There's the Unit 2 discussion board original post. It's where you answer the prompt. And then also on Friday, January 17th, you have your Unit 2 determined knowledge due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. On Tuesday, which will be January 21st, you also have 2 things due. The first thing that you have due is your Unit 2 discussion board response post. That's where you respond to your peers. Remember, you have to respond to 2 of your peers. And they will not be accepted. These response posts will not be accepted after the 21st, so get those in. You don't want to have 15 points taken right off the bat because A, you didn't respond to your fellow student by the 21st, or you didn't respond at all. So please get that in. And also on January 21st, you have the Unit 2 in telepath due. So get these assignments in, everybody, and feel free to contact me with any questions you may have. Stay TCU strong, everybody.